Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set duration text on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok, and after this, if you wanna set the duration for this tag, so you just click on the text, and then in here you just click on the set duration.
Tutorial text to speech.
Set duration. And after this, you can see in here you can set the duration for the text. You just swipe this one and this one to left or right like this. And then after this, you just click check icon at the bottom.
Tutorial text to speech on TikTok.
And finish. So that's how to set duration text on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.